Hi, this is Cheryl for Cut at Home. Today I'm here with the Sack-It dies by Tailored Expressions. This initial die is called Sack It to You. It creates the cutest little gift bag. Here's a plain gift bag that I made with the die set. Again, it's got a fun little shaped top here. You don't see it so well in the pattern paper. I'll show you on one of the more solids later on. It's got the die for the handles. This is one way you could place the handles. So it's a cute, fun little gusseted gift bag. It's pretty solidly constructed so that it'll accommodate a little bit wider and then also a little bit heavier treats. They're not going to fall through. Not sure that the handles will hold up to that stress, but you know, obviously it's an easy to grab item. Now this set also has a little bonus here. It's got the pieces so that you can turn your bag into a Santa bag. How fun is that? So by adding the little belt and buckle and a couple of little buttons, your bag now comes to life as Santa Claus. Now obviously you could do a lot more embellishing with this. Perhaps instead of the little paper circles, you'd want to use a couple of pom-poms, for example, as buttons. Lots of things like that add fun and definition to the project. Perhaps a little white glitter around the edge, something like that. Again, lots and lots of fun, lots of choices in how to embellish it. So Sack-Its is a series of dies. Again, this is the basic set that gives you the bag. Once you have this, you don't have to purchase the bag again. It's just about the add-on pieces and what you need to make a character. This is a second Sack-It set. It's called Sack-It Gingerbread House. Now this die set obviously doesn't include the bag itself, just the pieces needed to make a cute little gingerbread house. So you can see the pieces are plentiful here. Everything that's needed and represented on front is included. And here's my gingerbread house. How cute and fun is that? Definitely a lot of fun for your holiday table. Now for this one, I chose to not put handles on. Again, it's a matter of choice. Handles or no, how you decorate or embellish the bag or not becomes a choice. You can also consider embossing the front or back of your gift bag. So you can see with this one, perhaps not so well, let me move it a little closer, that I've used an embossing folder with it. That's very easily done as well. This is the piece that cuts out. What you'll want to do is put the basic folds in and then slide it in your embossing folder. Again, I'm only interested in embossing the front part of it. I don't really want to catch the base. Embossed bases tend to rock back and forth and create some instability. I don't really need it on the gusseted side either. So I'm just focusing on embossing here. Now I can simply fold the piece up like this, run it through my machine, depending on how I run it, perhaps this way. I could also fold these two pieces together to get that side out of the way so that I can run it through straight like this. If I have an embossing folder that's multi-directional, doesn't depend on one side or the other, I can even insert the piece sideways. And again, maybe have a little bit easier time of running it through. So there's lots of options about how you could emboss particular pieces. Again, the key here is you want to focus on just getting the front or back embossed. You don't want to emboss the base. That won't work out very well for you. Now let me show you how easy it is to assemble the dies. Again, you're going to need to cut two pieces like this. From the top up here to the bottom corner is 6 inches, so you need to have a piece that's at least 6 inches wide to cut this out. So again, I'm going to cut the two pieces. It cuts and scores beautifully, so all the scoring lines that you need are here. You're simply, once they're cut, going to fold them along the score lines, making sure that everything is taken care of here at this step. So fold everything in, address that gusset. Gussets aren't my favorite fold either, but you're gonna, I think the easiest thing to do is fold the top, and as you work down, once you get to that sort of point, then you can push it from the sides and begin to form that gusset. Again, it can be a little temperamental, but you can push it into place. It's not an issue. From there, I'm going to go ahead and apply score tape to the two flaps of my side panel. Again, as this sits for me, this is the top, this is the bottom of the bag, this is the front or back, the bottom of the bag, and this is the side panel that we're going to fold up. So again, with both of those, I removed one of the score tape liners and I simply attached it to the front. It goes right into place very, very easily. Once you've made the two of those, again, you can see both of them are here. You're going to take one of your pieces and you're going to add some score tape to that bottom panel so that I can hold the two together. Then it's as simple as setting the first piece inside the second. Everything fits so perfectly and it constructs such a well constructed and solid bag, really. With the double bottom, it's going to stand up to a lot more weight inside than it normally would. Again, structurally your handles are going to be the weakest point, but that's always a workaround with a small bag like this. But you can see on my solid one here, on my pattern paper one, that it's a very solid construction. This bottom isn't going to give way to much of anything. Again, it's doubled up. The gussets at the side give the cute, fun bag shape. And I promised I would show you this top. Look at the cute way that they've designed that top. Sometimes you'll see with the various characters that go with the sackets that becomes a part of the design, and other times it's just there and it's decorative. So they're super, super easy to put together. Be sure and go to the Cut at Home website and check out the other add-on sets that we have for the sackets. Because they're just a lot of fun. What I like about the add-ons too is you can take all of these pieces and easily use them to just decorate an A2 card. So there's multiple uses for both the bag itself. The basic bag can be any gift bag need that you have, and the add-ons can add decor to your little gift bags, as well as to decorate A2 cards and that sort of thing. So it's a versatile set. It's a lot of fun. Again, you have lots of opportunities beyond just what's given you in the die. There's so much here. But again, a little glitter, a little sparkle, this will be even more fun. And it will really delight those who are around your holiday table. So the Sackett die sets by Tailored Expressions. Be sure and check them out. Thanks for watching. Bye.